You need to replace the splinter guard on your tracks, whether it's Festool, DeWalt, Makita, whatever your track is whatever. You can buy all kinds of replacement tracks. This is for Festool. It's, I think, 197 inches. It'll do one big track and one small track. Remove the track tape. Pull that off and then get yourself some nail polish remover. Right, that works great. And then you got to clean all the old residue off. The nail polish remover works really well. You see here, you get some smuts. I think I tried using some double face tape to stick the old one down again. I mean, it worked. It got me through when I needed to. So this is that. So just take a, razor blade. I think I might have tried some CA glue too at one time, because it feels really crunchy. Yeah, but the best is just to replace it. You can get a long time out of it, so just replace it, clean it off, and then adhere your new one. Set it down on the surface, establish your cut, and you're good, man. I think they say let the tape cure overnight for 24 hours before using it, just to make sure that it doesn't come off. And sometimes, sometimes things happen, right? And the edges get a little boogered up from maybe hitting the ground. Off like a really smooth file, fine file, and just get rid of that burr, that little burr that might be there. You might get it up here too, so kind of get rid of that, just so it sits flat again, and mainly it doesn't mar up your plywood surface. That's the big thing, right? You don't want to put unneeded scratches. You can feel the burr, and just like everything else, file it off and you're good. Pretty straightforward. I don't have enough to do this rail, but you're going to peel and then stick it down, and what you want to do is register it against the back. You'll feel a little ridge there. Let me go here, sorry. You'll feel a little ridge, right? And register your tape against the back of the ridge, right? You'll feel it hit, okay? And then just follow it down. That's it. Right? Pretty simple. Boom, 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 boom. And like I said, then flip it and cut it on something. You can cut it. I cut it on foam. I always cut plywood on foam. You can see here all the time. It's good for that. That's it, man. Hey, be safe, be well, and God bless you all. Take care of your tracks, because they're important.